Have you ever found yourself chasing someone who seems utterly indifferent to you? Conversely, you might have been the object of someone else's relentless pursuit, even as you tried to distance yourself. Today we're diving into the psychology of obsession, how it transforms a simple crush into an all-consuming fixation. Are you curious about how to make someone crave your presence, even if they believe they don't want you? Stay tuned, and we'll explore the psychological dynamics behind this phenomenon. While you're here, consider subscribing for more relationship advice and insights. Cultivate mystery. Humans are naturally curious creatures. We're drawn to the unknown, the enigmatic, and the mysterious. This innate curiosity can be harnessed to captivate others. By maintaining an air of mystery, you can spark fascination and encourage others to seek deeper knowledge about you. Seneca, a renowned Stoic philosopher, noted that what frightens us isn't the unknown itself, but our assumptions about it. The unknown can inspire wonder rather than fear. To craft mystery, avoid oversharing too soon. Reveal information gradually, leaving them eager for more. Use evocative language that hints at untold stories or hidden depths. Leave questions unanswered or drop subtle clues suggesting there's more beneath the surface. Resist the urge to divulge every detail of your life, keeping others intrigued. Creating mystery offers several benefits: increased attraction, heightened curiosity, and deeper connections. By aligning with the Stoic principle of respecting the power of the unknown, you can inspire desire and fascination in those around you. Play hard to get. The psychological principle of scarcity suggests that people value things more when they perceive them as rare or difficult to obtain. Playing hard to get leverages this idea by creating a sense of urgency and effort. Reducing your availability can amplify attraction and desire. Marcus Aurelius emphasized self-discipline and moderation, warning against excessive attachments that breed unhappiness. While playing hard to get might seem harmless, it risks manipulation, potentially leading to toxic dynamics. A Stoic approach prioritizes authenticity, honesty, and respect over control. Healthy relationships thrive on mutual trust and understanding, not games of scarcity. 3. Limit your availability. Exclusivity enhances desirability. When something is scarce, we assign it higher value. By restricting your availability, you create a sense of exclusivity, making others feel fortunate to spend time with you. Epictetus cautioned against external dependencies, advocating for self-sufficiency. Over-reliance on others undermines independence and resilience. A Stoic perspective emphasizes genuine interactions over manipulative tactics. Building strong, respectful relationships requires openness and honesty, fostering trust and mutual comprehension. Limited availability should be wielded responsibly, avoiding toxicity and dependency. Use intermittent reinforcement. Intermittent reinforcement, a psychological concept, suggests unpredictable rewards are highly addictive. Occasional praise or attention keeps others engaged, always seeking your approval. However, Stoicism warns against seeking validation externally. Relying on others for self-worth leaves us vulnerable to manipulation and regrettable decisions. Internal validation, rooted in virtue and living harmoniously with nature, fosters robust self-esteem. While intermittent reinforcement can be effective, it must be used ethically. Prioritizing authentic connections over manipulative strategies aligns with Stoic ideals of integrity and respect. Instill urgency. Creating urgency prompts quick decisions driven by the fear of loss. Time-sensitive language like limited time, offer, or last chance spurs action. However, Marcus Aurelius warned against impulsive behavior, advocating for deliberate thought and rational decision-making. Acting hastily can lead to poor choices, financial losses, and damaged relationships. A Stoic approach champions reason and reflection. Careful consideration of options and potential outcomes ensures better decisions with favorable results. Urgency, while powerful, should be employed ethically, balancing persuasion with responsibility. Mirror. Their behavior. Mirroring involves mimicking someone's body language, speech patterns, or interests. It fosters rapport and connection, making others feel understood. However, deliberate mirroring can border on manipulation, undermining authenticity. Stoics valued sincerity and alignment with personal principles, rather than using mirroring to control. Focus on genuine interactions. Authenticity builds trust and meaningful relationships. Mirroring should enhance communication without compromising honesty or respect. Offer emotional support. Providing emotional support during tough times demonstrates kindness and compassion. Being a confidant strengthens bonds and deepens intimacy. However, excessive reliance can hinder resilience. Stoics advocated self-sufficiency, encouraging individuals to develop inner strength and coping mechanisms. While offering support is noble, promoting independence is equally vital. Encourage others to cultivate their resilience, fostering healthier, sustainable relationships. Compassion balanced with empowerment aligns with Stoic values of authenticity and respect. One's worth is affirmed through thoughtful, genuine compliments rather than excessive flattery. Focus on specific traits or actions, ensuring sincerity and depth. Compliments, when used responsibly, foster positivity and connection. Avoid overpraising, which risks inflating egos and breeding dependency. Genuine appreciation aligns with Stoic ideals of moderation and authenticity. 9. Foster exclusivity. Cultivating exclusivity makes someone feel uniquely valued. Sharing personal stories or unique experiences creates a special bond. However, Stoics cautioned against unhealthy attachments. Over-investing in one relationship risks neglecting other aspects of life, leading to possessiveness or jealousy. Prioritize balanced connections, avoiding dependency. Concentrate on personal growth while nurturing mutual trust and understanding. Exclusivity, wielded responsibly, enhances relationships without fostering imbalance. Care. Engage in mind games. Mind games manipulate emotions, causing confusion and self-doubt. Tactics like mixed messages or gaslighting damage trust and mental well-being. Stoics prized clarity and rationality, opposing behaviors that breed ambiguity. Honesty, transparency, and respect form the foundation of Stoic relationships. Clear communication builds trust and meaningful connections. Avoid manipulative tactics, focusing instead on open, ethical interactions. Leverage. Jealousy. Using jealousy to gain attention involves flirtation or highlighting alternatives. This strategy damages self-esteem and fosters insecurity. Stoics emphasize dignity and self-respect, opposing manipulative behaviors. Authenticity and openness nurture healthy relationships. Avoid tactics that provoke discomfort or rivalry. Respectful, transparent interactions align with Stoic values, promoting trust and mutual understanding. Create dependency. Fostering dependency makes someone feel incapable without you. Over-helpfulness or solving every problem undermines resilience. Stoics valued self-reliance, warning against behaviors that hinder personal growth, encourage independence and self-sufficiency, build relationships based on mutual respect and understanding, avoiding manipulative dependency. Empowering others aligns with Stoic ideals, fostering healthier, more sustainable connections. Exploit weaknesses, targeting vulnerabilities for control inflicts emotional harm. Stoics championed compassion and empathy, opposing cruelty and manipulation. Support others in overcoming challenges, fostering resilience and growth. Authentic relationships prioritize kindness and respect, rejecting exploitative behaviors. Align with Stoic principles to build stronger, healthier connections. Understanding these dynamics helps navigate relationships with wisdom and integrity. Obsession, while tempting, often leads to unhealthy patterns. Embrace Stoic virtues of authenticity, self-control, and empathy to cultivate fulfilling, respectful connections. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay mindful and see you next time.